Hey folks, Domino here. Not much in the best mood. Yeah, so I mean, I've been frustrated. Sometime. I don't know why. It's my mama birthday and stuff like that. I mean, in 2019, I wasn't like this around my mama birthday. 2020, I wasn't like this. My mama gone and stuff like that. It just sometimes take a toll on me. Okay, so anyway though, I just don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hey, how you doing? I'm just frustrated right now. You heard me? Yeah. So I'm just frustrated right now, ladies and gentlemen. You know. Yeah. So all right. Let me go inside and just do a little something though. Hmm? Just go inside and just. I was talking to my neighbor. Earlier she assured me ranting and raving. I ain't even know she was sitting on the porch. I ain't even know she was sitting on the porch. I mean when I passed, I was just frustrated. Honestly, I was extremely frustrated. Hmm. I mean, it's my mama's birthday. I'm supposed to be happy. I miss her so much. Hmm. When when people treat you bad and stuff like that. Hmm. And stuff like that, you don't know what a person going through. Yep. So so not much of a memo. you know. I mean, today, April the 25th, 2022, and stuff like that. Uh huh. Yep. How's it going for everybody? You know. Besides getting on Facebook and started cursing and ranting and raving and stuff like that. Okay. Like I'm acting like Tupac or Will Smith or something. Y'all know Tupac been gone for like 20 some years. I think 24 if I'm not mistaken. We in 2022. Yeah. So yeah. I mean, I'm just a little frustrated right now. And my best friend's birthday is next month on the 22nd. Well, she probably watching this right now. You know, and and everything. So yeah. All right, I'm trying not to snap and stuff like that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. And plus, I'm supposed to be working right now. I'm supposed to be on the clock. Well, I'm already on the clock. I'm doing this show. This is my job. Okay, gaming and vlogging and stuff like that. Okay. So y'all know the deal. If y'all been watching Domino this long. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So somebody be like, who upsetted you like that? Well, nobody, like, really. Mm-hmm. Nah, nobody. Uh huh. I mean, at least I ain't snap on nobody. I mean, I could have snapped on my neighbor next door. I almost did. Mm-hmm. I almost did, but I'm glad I didn't. I caught myself. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't mean no harm towards people. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know. Well. All right. Yeah, I gotta be here for my brother. You know. Gotta be here with my brother. I can't beat the press though. My mom been going on 4 years. So anyway, to do the math. All right, I gotta use my calculator. Okay, so this is But truthfully, I got none to feel guilty for, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I I I mean, so I'm about to tell y'all something. My mama would have been 63 this year. You know, if she would have still been here. She was born in 1959. You know, she would have. She would have been here. She should have been 63. She would have made 60 in 2019, 61. Last year could have been 62, and this year could have been 63. You know, so yeah, you know, uh huh. I'm just a little frustrated right now. You know, I mean everything will be fine though. I hope. You know, yeah, you know. Instead of trashing somebody on your show, you know. I'm just a little frustrated right now, you know. I don't mean to go off the deep end with people, you know. Especially my best friend, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know. And by the way, this my outfit I could have wore for Easter, you know. This I'm about to show y'all my outfit, you know. Yeah, this was my outfit just in case my auntie is watching, you know. This was supposed to be my outfit for Easter. These black jeans and this white shirt, you know. You know, this was my Easter outfit, ladies and gentlemen, you know. But I decided to stay home and sleep all day and play video games and record them, you know. Okay? All right. So yeah, you know. This is my Easter outfit. Bought it at Walmart, you know. I forgot which Walmart I bought it from, the Bullard or the Chapatoulas Walmart, you know. Okay, I don't go to the Gentilly Walmart no more. So I went to the Gentilly Walmart just to not only just to do my vlog, because I had a Walmart friend that passed away, you know. She was a Walmart friend, you know. And you know, my other Walmart friend recently quit working at Walmart, you know. I'm not gonna say her name though, okay? And the other one, I ain't gonna say her name either, you know, because I don't want nobody to know where these people work or whatever, because this ain't America's business, you know, okay? But she was I ain't gonna say her name. She was live streaming on Facebook and stuff like that, you know. And you know, she said her mom was fussing at her though, you know. Yeah, so her mom was fussing at her about broadcasting her that on Facebook or social media or whatever. Okay, you got to be careful with your broadcast on social media. You know. Okay. Yep. If you're really angry or something, you got to be careful what you put on Facebook or whatever. You know. I made that mistake and talked about a family member badly and stuff like that. It was heartbreaking. I'm sorry I did that, you know. When you're frustrated, sometimes you don't think, you know. So yeah, you know. So I gotta try to be careful what the heck I do on social media, especially you people too, you know. All right. So that's all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. You have to be careful with what you do on social media, you know. All right. Yeah, you know. Yeah, so it's like some kind of trauma I suffer from, you know, and stuff like that, you know. Yep. So at least I ain't coming on here cursing up a storm, you know. All right. So the thing is, ladies and gentlemen, I would apologize to the neighbors for the outbursts as I was walking around, talking on the phone, cursing up a storm and stuff like that, you know. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, Domino don't mean no harm though, okay? And I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm gonna do a Mario marathon on YouTube, you know, here on YouTube or there on YouTube, you know. Okay, so we'll have to see what else I'm gonna do, you know. Okay. So you know what, y'all? I mean, some people these days don't be careful what they do as well as me. You know, I try my best to be careful what I do. You know, okay. So yeah, you know, went to the Gentilly Fest and stuff like that. You know, mm-hmm. All right. So, well, that's all I'm gonna say for right now, though. Okay. Thank y'all for watching, though. I appreciate y'all understanding and stuff like that. You know. Okay. So at least I didn't come on my show cursing and stuff. You know. All right. So yeah. So I started cussing before I came on. You know. Okay. All right. So that's all. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.